How to fix Supercell ID verification code not received. If you're experiencing issues with not receiving the Supercell ID verification code, in this video I will show you the several ways you can take or several steps you can take to troubleshoot the problem. Now, the first step or the first thing to do is to log in into your browser's account, okay? And then once you're logged in, you are brought to the home page. This is how it looks like. Now on this page, the first thing you must ensure is that the email address you provided during Supercell ID creation is correct. And then let's go to our Supercell for further description. So go to the top right corner, click on the three horizontal dots, click on the Supercell ID. So after clicking on your Supercell ID and you're brought to this page, while registering, before you can get a Supercell ID account, you'll be asked to input your email address. So while inputting your email address, if you cannot receive or if you did not receive the verification code, the first thing you must check is if the email you entered in is correct. All right, so check it if it's correct. Then when logging in, make sure you are using the same email address associated with Supercell ID. For example, on this settings page, once you click on switch account, taken to another page, and you click on login to Supercell ID, then you click on continue. Now, the email that to enter in here, ensure it is the email that you've associated with the particular Supercell account that you want to log in into. All right. If you are using a different email, you won't get the verification code. All right. And then you can always check your spam folder too. Sometimes verification code emails end up in the spam folder. So search your inbox for Supercell ID to locate the email containing the code. So if you enter the verification code incorrectly 3 times in a row also, you won't receive a new code for 24 hours. So be cautious and type the code accurately. All right. So these are the way it works. And also, you can also check if your if the email you entered in is supported by browsers or by Supercell ID. If it is not supported, you will also not get the verification code. So check through all of this and then the issue would be fixed effectively. Thanks for watching and have a good day.